What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for real ways to make money online and get paid daily, this video is for you. I've put together a list of 5 legit websites that will pay you fast. No scams, no fluff. These are perfect for students, stay-at-home parents, side hustlers, anyone who wants to earn extra cash in 2025. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump right in. Remote tasks. Work online. Learn new skills. Earn anywhere. Remote Tasks is a flexible, user-friendly online platform that connects everyday people with simple remote tasks that power the world's most advanced technologies like AI, self-driving cars, and smart devices. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or someone looking to earn additional income from the comfort of home, Remote Tasks offers a real opportunity to make money while gaining valuable digital skills. How it works. Simple steps to start earning. Sign up for free, join the Remote Task platform with just your email and start immediately. Complete online training. Learn how to perform different task types through interactive, self-paced modules. No prior experience required. Start doing tasks. Choose from a variety of tasks like image annotation for AI models, audio transcription and labeling, data categorization and content moderation, 3D sensor fusion for autonomous vehicles. Get paid weekly, earn in USD with payments made via PayPal or your preferred method. Why remote tasks? No fees to join. Work from anywhere. Flexible hours, work when you want. Zero experience needed. Continuous learning and skill growth. How to scale on remote tasks. If you're serious about turning remote tasks into a steady income stream, or even building a remote digital career, here's how to grow. Master multiple task types. The more complex the task, the higher the pay. Advanced tasks like LiDAR annotation can significantly boost your earnings. Join remote tasks. Bootcamp. Accelerate your learning with live instructor-led training programs designed to prepare you for high-paying task categories. Become a reviewer or trainer. Top-performing taskers can level up to become task reviewers or bootcamp trainers, positions that offer leadership experience and better pay. Build a team. Some users form or join teams to complete more tasks efficiently. This collaborative approach leads to faster scaling and shared knowledge. Who's it for? Remote workers and freelancers, students looking to earn flexibly, stay-at-home parents, anyone curious about AI and data training jobs. Whether you're just getting started or looking to maximize your online earnings, Remote Tasks is a great gateway into the future of work. Start today. Learn, earn, and grow with Remote Tasks. Clickworker. Turn your spare time into income. Anytime, anywhere. Clickworker is a global crowdworking platform that empowers individuals to earn money online by performing small digital tasks on their own schedule. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, freelancer, or just looking to supplement your income, Clickworker lets you work when you want, where you want, with no strings attached. How it works. Simple, flexible, reliable. Sign up for free, create your Clickworker account in minutes. No application fees, no hidden costs. Complete your profile and assessments. Unlock access to better and higher-paying tasks by filling out your profile and completing skill assessments. Choose your tasks. Browse available jobs and choose what suits your interests and skills. Tasks may include text creation and editing, e.g., product descriptions, SEO copy, online surveys, data categorization, proofreading, app testing, and usability feedback, AI training data creation, e.g. image annotation, voice recording. Work on your schedule, log in and complete tasks anytime. There are no quotas or required hours. Get paid, receive payments reliably via PayPal or SEPA bank transfer with clear payout terms. Why Clickworker? No fees or experience needed. Global access, work from any country. 100% flexible hours. Diverse tasks to match your strengths. Fast and secure payments. How to scale your Clickworker income. Clickworker is more than just quick tasks. It's a platform where you can grow your income strategically by Maximizing profile. Completeness. A fully completed profile unlocks more and higher-paying jobs tailored to your strengths. Passing qualification tests. Access premium tasks with better rates by completing optional assessments and language tests. Joining UHRS, Universal Human Relevance System. A partner platform offering additional consistent task work with scalable earning potential. Being consistent and reliable. High-quality submissions lead to higher task ratings, more trust, and more exclusive project invitations. Special projects. Some users are invited to long-term or recurring projects with steady earnings and ongoing opportunities. Who should join Clickworker? Remote workers and freelancers, students or stay-at-home parents, people looking to monetize their free time, anyone with basic digital skills and internet access. Whether you want to earn a little extra or build a consistent side hustle, Clickworker gives you the tools to succeed, with complete control over your time and tasks. Start earning today. Join the global community of Clickworkers, rapid workers. Get paid for microtasks. Quick jobs, real earnings. Rapid Workers is a fast, easy-to-use microtask platform that connects online workers with quick, simple jobs from around the world. Whether you want to earn extra income during your free time or build a consistent online side hustle, Rapid Workers lets you complete small tasks and get paid, all from your laptop or phone. With thousands of short tasks posted daily, there's always work available. No special skills or certifications required. How it works? Simple, quick, effective. Sign up for free. It takes just minutes to register. All you need is a valid email address. Choose tasks. Browse a live job board with microtasks such as liking videos or posts, signing up for websites or newsletters, testing apps or providing feedback, following accounts on social media, posting reviews or comments, ethically compliant. Follow instructions carefully. Each task includes clear step-by-step directions. Accuracy is key to approval. Submit proof of work. Upload screenshots, links, or other required proof as instructed. Get paid. Approved tasks are paid directly into your account. Withdraw your earnings via PayPal when the minimum is reached. Why choose Rapid Workers? Instant access. No experience needed. Wide variety of tasks. Low minimum payout. Worldwide access. English interface. Perfect for beginners or casual earners. How to scale your earnings on Rapid Workers? While the platform offers quick, low-barrier jobs, smart users can scale their earnings by being fast. Plus, accurate, complete more tasks efficiently without getting rejected. This improves your approval rating and access to better-paying jobs. Checking the platform daily. New tasks are posted constantly. Early birds catch the best ones. Targeting. High-paying campaigns. Some tasks pay more for specific regions or actions. Focus on those that offer the best ROI for your time. Avoiding rejection. Only complete tasks relevant to your location and follow instructions precisely. Too many rejections can restrict your access. Combining with other platforms. Pair Rapid Workers with other tasking sites to create a steady online work routine. Who is Rapid Workers for? Online beginners looking to earn their first dollar. Students, part-time workers, and stay-at-home parents. People in regions with limited traditional job opportunities. Anyone who wants fast, simple, on-demand online work. Start small, work smart, earn daily. With Rapid Workers, your next payday is just a few clicks away. Cashkick, kick back, and get paid for what you already do online. Cashkick is a simple, user-friendly platform that pays you real money to engage with brands, complete surveys, try new products, and play games, all from the comfort of your home. If you're looking for a fun, flexible way to earn extra cash in your spare time, Cashkick turns your screen time into income. No gimmicks, no subscriptions, just real rewards for real actions. How it works. Earning made easy. Sign up for free, create a Cashkick account in minutes. All you need is an email address and internet access. Choose how you earn. Cashkick offers multiple ways to make money. Complete surveys, share your opinions, and get paid per response. Try new offers. Sign up for apps, streaming services, games, or free trials and earn cash. Watch videos, engage with content, and get rewarded for your time. Play games, level up or complete in-game actions for bonuses. Follow simple instructions. Each task outlines exactly what to do and how much you'll earn. Cash out easily. Get paid via PayPal once you reach just $10. No points, no conversions, just dollars. Why Cashkick? No cost to join. 100% free. Low $10 payout threshold. No special skills required. Daily earning opportunities. Perfect for casual, flexible side income. How to scale your earnings with Cashkick. Cashkick isn't just a way to earn a few extra dollars. It can be a steady side hustle if you know how to maximize your time. Focus on high-paying offers. Some offers pay $10 to $50 plus just for trying a new service or reaching a game milestone. Stay consistent. Set aside 30 to 60 minutes daily to complete surveys or offers for regular payouts. Use a dedicated email. Offers and surveys often send updates or confirmation steps via email. Stay organized. Track your progress. Use the dashboard to monitor pending versus completed offers and earnings. Refer friends. Earn even more by inviting others to join with your referral link when available. Who is Cashkick for? Students, freelancers, stay-at-home parents. People who enjoy testing apps or games. Anyone looking to turn spare time into spare cash? Beginners to online earning platforms. Ready to get paid for what you're already doing online? Join the thousands of users earning real money with Cashkick today. Sprout gigs. Plant small tasks. Grow real income. Anywhere, anytime. Sprout Gigs, formerly Pico Workers, is a global freelancing and micro-task platform where anyone can earn money online by completing simple gigs. From liking posts to testing websites, Sprout Gigs connects digital workers with businesses that need help and pays you for every task you complete. Whether you're looking for a quick side hustle or a way to build up consistent remote income, Sprout Gigs makes it easy to start small and grow fast. How it works. Start earning in minutes. Sign up for free. It only takes a few minutes to join. No upfront fees or experience required. Browse the gig marketplace. Choose from a wide variety of micro jobs, such as following social media pages, testing apps or websites, writing reviews, or signing up for services, data entry, surveys, and more. Complete tasks and submit proof. Follow simple instructions, upload screenshots or links as evidence, and submit for approval. Earn money instantly. Once your work is approved, the money goes into your Sprout Gigs wallet. Withdraw via PayPal, Litecoin, AirTM, or other payment options. Why Sprout Gigs? Fast and easy to start. Worldwide access, no experience needed. Wide range of tasks for all skill levels. Low minimum payout, $5. Trusted by thousands of workers globally. How to scale your earnings on Sprout Gigs. Sprout Gigs allows you to earn steadily and scale your online income with smart strategies. Move from worker to freelancer. Complete high-quality gigs to unlock premium tasks and better paying opportunities. Offer your own services. As a freelancer, post your own digital services, writing, design, SEO, etc., and sell them to global buyers. Maintain a high rating. Reliable work equals better reputation equals more gigs. Stay consistent and responsive. Complete daily tasks. Log in daily to grab fresh jobs early, especially from high-paying employers. Refer others, earn bonuses or passive income through the referral program when available. Who should use Sprout Gigs? Beginners to online freelancing. Students, stay-at-home parents, and part-timers. Anyone in emerging markets seeking online income. Skilled freelancers looking for microclients or repeat gigs. Start small, grow big. With Sprout Gigs, your digital hustle is just a few clicks away. Alright, here's a recap of the 5 sites that can pay you in 2025. Want to start making money online? Choose 1 or 2 of these platforms. Create an account. Set a goal. Even $5 to $10 a day adds up. These sites won't make you rich overnight, but they're 100% legit and great for daily cash flow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more ways to make money online in 2025. Comment below, "I'm ready to earn daily," and I'll reply with a bonus site. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.